Hey everybody, it's Lon Simon, and I'm getting ready to do a review of the Lenovo 710S, and I was shooting some B-roll here of the inside of it, so I figured I would post it to the extras channel first, because a lot of people are always wondering about upgradability. So the 710S Plus, which is what we're looking at here, has an upgradable solid-state drive here, and it looks like it's got some fancy controller on there also. We'll have to do a little bit of a deep dive into what this is in our main review, which you can find on my main channel at lon.tv. But the RAM does not appear upgradable on this. Typically, you'll see modules that you can insert or take out. This one does not appear to have that. So the processor is here. There's the little heat channel there, and it goes over to the fan here. But the RAM, I believe, is underneath this, and I think it is soldered onto the motherboard. So this one comes with 8 gigabytes, and I think that is all you're going to get. They do have a 16 gig version, but that is not the one we'll be looking at. So stay tuned, full review coming up soon on my main channel at lon.tv.
This channel is brought to you by my Patreon supporters, including gold level supporters Mark Bollinger and Cody Falk. If you want to help the channel, you can by contributing as little as $1 a month. Head over to lon.tv/Patreon to learn more. And don't forget to subscribe. Visit lon.tv/s.